Understanding Accrual Accounting, a simple guide. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language used in the business world: accrual accounting. If you're keen on understanding financial statements or pursuing a career in accounting, this video is tailored for you. Let's break down accrual accounting into easy-to-understand concepts, ensuring you grasp its meaning and importance. Accrual accounting is an accounting method that records revenues and expenses when they are earned or incurred, regardless of when the cash is actually received or paid. This approach contrasts with cash accounting, where transactions are only recorded upon the exchange of cash. Accrual accounting provides a more accurate picture of a company's financial health by reflecting all economic activities in the period they occur, not just when cash changes hands. There are two main principles in accrual accounting. 1. The revenue recognition principle. This principle states that revenue should be recognized in the accounting period in which it is earned, irrespective of when the cash is received. For example, if you sell a product in December, you record the revenue in December, even if you receive payment in January. 2. The matching principle. According to this principle, expenses should be matched with the revenues they help to generate. This means expenses are recorded in the same period as the revenues they relate to, providing a more accurate profit margin. These principles ensure that financial statements reflect the company's actual performance and financial position during a specific period. Advantages: provides a more accurate picture of a company's financial health, enables better financial planning and analysis, meets the reporting requirements of regulatory bodies and standards. Disadvantages: can be more complex to implement than cash accounting, requires meticulous tracking of receivables and payables, may not provide a clear picture of cash flow. Accrual accounting is a cornerstone of financial reporting, offering insights into a company's operations beyond mere cash transactions. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone looking to delve into the financial or business sectors. We hope this video has shed light on accrual accounting and made it more accessible to you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.